Hello and welcome to Lady Wisdom Speaks, and it's so good to be with you here today. Now, I decided that I wanted to go out and check on the wreaths to see the Christmas wreaths, to see how much they cost, and just to look at the different Christmas decorations and see if I can get some more ideas. Hello and welcome to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. I want to share this activity, this DIY with you. I visited yesterday the Dollar Tree store and I saw these different parts and I said to myself, I can make myself a Christmas wreath to hang on my door. Now, yesterday I also visited Costco. And Walgreens, and I saw their wreaths there, and to me they were a little pricey, but when I went to the Dollar Tree I actually saw the frames for a wreath. This piece here, which is $1, and then this gold piece, which is another $1. I saw some really beautiful ribbon, this ribbon, and then the Christmas tree like ribbon, and also the snowflake ribbon. And what really inspired me and got me thinking that I could possibly put together my own wreath and have it look good with a lot of quality, to it, it's this bell. Isn't that bell beautiful? Yeah, and I think that's going to really look good hanging down at the bottom of my wreath. Now, in the past, I had collected these pieces of decor, and I didn't know exactly what I was going to do with them, but I think that they're going to come in real handy here on this wreath to decorate the wreath. And I'm very excited about this project because I'm going to put it on my door. My door is more of a reddish maroon color, so I think that it's going to look good with the gold, the green, and the red ribbon, that it's all going to come together. So I'm going to go through the process and show you what it looks like in the end. So this is what I've done so far. I put on the different ornaments onto the wreath. I've attached the wreath together, and I've placed the bell on the wreath. And now I'm going to work on the bow. I'm going to put a bow at the top, and hopefully I might put a bow right here as well. We'll see how that works out. But I definitely see something up top here to hang the wreath with. So let me do that. But I just wanted to stop and let you see what I've done so far. And I kind of put the bow together a little bit like this. I mean, I could put the bow on here with the bell like that, or put it up here like that. It's kind of thick, but we'll see how it comes out. All right, so stay tuned for the rest. Well, I finished the project, and here is my wreath. I put a bow on it, and a little bow here with the bell. Let's see if I can hold it up for you so you can see. I'm going to hang it now on the door. Well, I finished the wreath, and it looks so good on the front door. Really pretty.
Christmas time again. The spirit of praise fills the atmosphere. Up in music's way, carols playing everywhere. People in the Christmas spirit, you can feel it. Look at the moon, smiling bright. Love watching over us tonight. Oh, the King is born. Hosanna, He is the Savior. Open up and let Him in. Let His praises ring for Christmas. Light of hope shining bright. Love watching over us tonight.
Brass and pan, choir come out to sing. We gonna let His praises ring. Some call Him Wonderful Counselor, Prince of Peace.
He's the Savior.
Some come with the tambourine and they shout, shout. When the music get in the head, man, they start to bang. Hear them singing.
Oh,